I wanted missiles in the arms and multiple targeting sensors. And I wanted a 40,000 elevation on the ceiling on these jets. And so this is what I ended up getting. Now, I knew from building the AT-AT Walker that the joints couldn't wear out or they get soft and they don't work. So I built finger joints in this. Because of these finger joints and how well this gun works on the shoulder mount, I built finger joints on the Zaku Gundam because I knew that it would survive as well also. So that's a little background history on the Falcon's guns. Oh well, such is life. 8 minutes of the show left, you guys. Have you got any? Hey, everybody, have you got anything that you would like to see that you can name? If you just ask for a spaceship or a car or something, I'm not going to give it to you. But if you can name something that I have made, I'll show it to you. The A-10 Joy? I can show it to you. It's back from the fair. Here it is, you guys. This is a paper airplane. Unlike these paper airplanes, this is made out of a cracker box. And check this out, you guys. Woohoo! They're super strong. I teach you how to build structurally correct. If you build structurally correct, it doesn't matter what you're doing to them, they'll survive. And if you break it, the cool thing is, it's paper. You just glue it back together. A-10. Yeah. Oops. um, should I give away my secrets? How to make those spinning turbines. When I was building this, I knew I wanted the turbines to spin. And actually, if you grab a hold of the front of them, I think you can spin them. Not very easy. I should have squared it off. But anyway, I used a straw, just a regular old straw from, like this, from Dairy Queen. And I built the inside of it in segments. I used 2 little tiny pieces of straw, 1/4 inch on each turbine, 2 of them. And I used them as the bearing for this. Now, once I got those 1/4 inch pieces done, then I had to put the connecting part, top and a bottom of it, that would glue into this turbine housing. All right, once I got those built, then I had to get the distance between the 2 1/4 inch pieces correct, and I started gluing in these fan blades. All right, so once I got the fan blades in the center glued on and strong enough that the turbine would not go forward and backwards at all. It stayed right where these were put. Then I built the forward turbines, and the aft turbine blades onto this piece. Once those were done, then I built this turbine housing, and then I shaved everything down so that it would slide into the turbine housing and spin. Then I had to take and glue these pieces inside here that were the turbine mounts. I had to glue them inside the turbine housing. That way it left the turbines to spin. All right, Edric, see you later. Have a good afternoon or evening. 4 minutes of the show left, you guys. It's almost another show down the drain. Thank you all for coming to the phone show. Thank you for sharing me with others and for putting up all the likes. You guys do extremely well every day. So thank you all very, very much for that. Thank you for watching my shorts. You know, those darn things get away from me if I don't pay attention to them. They run off on their own. That's a shorts joke. Not a very good one either. Paper airplanes. I make them too. Woohoo! Okie-dokie. Well, everybody, thank you very much for coming to the show. Since it's the end of the show, I'm just going to do this because it's probably not going to matter. All right, everybody, I want you to know that I really appreciate everything you do. This salute's for you. Living in this world today is very tough. It's not something simple we have to deal with. There's taxes, there's worry about rogue bandits, and man, the rumor of war in your backyard. It's all tough. I thank you all for being strong human beings and doing everything that you can to be good human beings. Thank you all for coming and watching my show. I do this show like a business. Monday through Friday, 2 hours a day, 5 days a week. I come and entertain. Sometimes it is entertaining. Sometimes it's hurtful. Darn it. And I understand that all things come with time. Give it time. Doesn't matter what it is. Shoot, it does not matter what it is. You look back, way, way back, Confucius say, stuff like that. All right, the Chinese people have never worried about who was in power. They don't care. Only thing they care about is their children, their moms and dads and grandparents, and getting something to eat. It's the same in the world today. Doesn't matter where you are or who you are. Those are basics that you have to have. Every human being on this planet smiles, laughs, cries, eats, goes to the bathroom. But anyway, it's all part of it.